let's continue here. So you have a down payment of $113,000.
Yeah.
This is going to be rented. Okay. This is going to be rented in 2024. And this is where a lot of people make the mistake of saying, well, the numbers don't make sense. The numbers don't work out. The rent's not going to cover the expenses. It's because they're not looking at what the rents are going to be in 2024. What we do is we take today's rent and apply a very, very conservative number of 3% year-over-year increase.
Okay.
Now, for everybody who's watching in the Greater Toronto Area, for the last 2 years, we've seen 11% year-over-year increase in rent.
Say that again?
11% year-over-year increase on rent in the Greater Toronto Area.
Wow.
And so we like to be ultra conservative and say, okay, let's work off 3%. So the rent that we're going to see here is going to be approximately, for a 1-bedroom plus den in 2024, you're going to be seeing about $2,450 as rent for rent.
$2,450.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's, do I need to times that by 12 or we're good here?
We're good here.
Okay. So I'm going to, once I acquire this property, I'm going to get this rented for $2,450, and hopefully, because if I take 563 minus the 113, that's you know, what's that? $440,000, whatever it is. That mortgage plus maintenance fees plus insurance, this is going to cover all that. I'm sure you're going to tell me.
That's going to cover not only, and you missed out the property tax, that's going to cover your property tax as well. So that covers all your expenses. Now, are you going to be seeing $500, $600 a month positive cash flow here? No, you're not. But your rental income is covering your expenses. You'll look at about $50 a month positive cash flow. But you know what? Just for argument's sake, we can say that it breaks even.
So we're going to take that $50 a month, $600 a year, and we're going to pay someone to change the light bulb if we have to change the light bulb for Susie who's renting, because we're such great landlords. We take care of our customers, clients, and
a bottle of wine, and a bottle of wine, Rav, at holiday season.
Yes, we'll buy them a bottle of wine. That's right. So cash flow, we're making no money. Okay, end of show. That's it. No one's investing in pre-construction condos. But wait, Jazzy, there might be more. Is there more?
I was going to say there's more. Just wait. Okay. Because we all know that that cash flow is only one way that you win in real estate. There's lots of other ways you win in real estate. Let's talk about that. Let's start with the passive appreciation.
Okay.
In the last 40 years, we've seen an increase in the Greater Toronto Area of 7.3%. Last 100 years, every decade, values double. But I like to use a conservative number of 5% year-over-year increase.
Okay. So
that gives us at 5% year-over-year increase. You're looking at $28,199.
$28,000.
$199.
Now that is 5% of the 563 in just 1 year.
Yes.
So just in 1 year, I only have a couple pieces of paper.
Exactly.
I just have a contract, and you're saying I've made 30 grand in 1 year conservatively with a piece of paper.